Alright guys, so now we've got it completed, and I just wanted to do a quick video on this towards the end. Now that you've watched all these videos, we finally figured out that right here, it's kind of hard to see, but right here is the maker in Japanese. The maker that did it. I can't read this, and we've tried to use the translator on it, but we're unable to do it because it can't distinguish the colors are the same, so it can't pull those out. It came out really good. We did have to buy some new screws. I'm gonna let the owner decide to put different screws in and color them or whatnot, but all the detail really came out in this. It came out real good. We're kind of proud that we were able to do this and get it looking so clean. You can see here all the details came out. Pretty unique. We're really excited about this piece, and very glad that we were able to help clean this up, because sandblasting or pressure washing or anything like that would have not worked very well. Again, you can see the details just really come out in this thing. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So proud to do this. Looking forward to the next project like this, and hope you enjoyed this. Again, if you have any questions, just give us a buzz, and we'll be glad to help you with your projects. All right. Hope you enjoyed this series. Take care.